Nice. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see how long it takes to put the rack on the truck and get it totally clamped down. Christian's gonna help me. We're gonna start the stopwatch. And let's see, okay, you keep holding it. I'm gonna open these doors, okay?
Got it.
Okay, don't drop it.
Drop it on my head.
Yeah, don't drop it on the head. Okay, that stays like, oop, got it. Okay, keep it right there, don't let it drop.
Okay.
Okay, all the doors are open. Ready? This is how we do it. This. Okay, go on the other side.
Got it.
Okay, watch your little fingers.
There.
Stay right there.
Finger. Good. Finger.
Okay.
Walk down. Back. Walk and back.
About that, I forgot to do that. That's there. All right. That's there. Okay, let's go tell them how long it took. All done. Ooh, 2 minutes.
I'm gonna walk away.
So that's it. On in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So not that bad. I mean, that's not really that important to be able to take it on and off that quickly, but it is a super nice feature, and it's nice because I mean you take it off before if you're doing a trip, you know that's going to be all just freeway. You don't need any of that kind of stuff to fix it, to work on it, whatever you're going to do. So let's take a look, see how it looks up there. So this is all extruded aluminum. I ordered this online, cut to size. They're 37.5 inches edge to edge. These are 48-inch bars for a Yakima rack. These are Yakima Q towers.
Hello!
Hello! They don't have the locks in them. Yakima Q towers. This is actually a Thule bar. It's called a Thule Aero bar. And I had those Aero bars on my first car that I had. I got them on Craigslist for $50, and I've had them for like
Show them inside too.
5 years, right?
Show them inside.
Okay.
Too.
Show them inside. But yeah, that's the rack. Trying to think of any other important
And
features
it
other
has
than.
dog too.
Oh yeah, nice. Oh yeah. This was something I really wanted when I was making the rack, was to make this as slim as possible. Slim fitting, so you can see too, my finger pretty much just barely fits under there, so it's about as low as you can possibly go.
Take it into a computer.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So yeah, it took a little finessing, but these are bolted through. You can't see it here, you'll be able to see in the pictures. Bolted through these Thule bars. This is also a type of extruded aluminum. The lights and everything are attached to it. It was kind of tricky getting this angle, but you know, that's just part of it. Kind of the fun part. Yeah. Anyways, that's my roof rack setup. If you guys have questions leave them in the comments. If this is on YouTube, if it's on Instagram, I'll have a question box and you'll be able to, yeah, ask me whatever you want. But hope this helps. I would say I hope it's inspiration if you're trying to build a rack like this. I don't know if I would copy it exactly just because I had the Thule bars already. If you were to buy Thule Aero bars, buy Yakima racks, buy the extruded aluminum, you're gonna be up pretty expensive. I got the Yakima racks. They're called Yakima Q towers with 48-inch bars. The clips are Yakima clips 117. Yeah, you could make this whole rack excluding the Aero bars. You could use 3/16 aluminum sheet or plate or whatever. That's like what the Prisnu racks are made out of. And the crossbars are extruded aluminum. They're drilled and tapped 1/4 20. And that's it. Like I said, if you have questions, let me know. Alright, I hope you liked the video. Say bye, Christian.
Bye, toodle pee poo.